All right, folks, it is Wednesday, and this is the Module 3 introduction video. So you need to get out your math workbook and turn to page 125, okay? All right, if you don't have it already, you're going to need a piece of loose leaf paper, a pencil, scissors, and some tape, okay? Anytime you need to go do something during this video, pause it, go do it, come back, finish the video, all right? I'm going to jump over to my document camera. I have a copy of your workbook right here, okay? All right. So first thing, that essential question, this is just kind of something to be thinking about as we start this lesson, and we will revisit it, or not this lesson, this whole unit, this whole module. How are operations with integers related to operations with whole numbers? Okay, so think about integers, think about whole numbers. What are they? What are they? How are they different, and how are they the same? Okay? All right, so what will we learn? So here's a chart of everything we're going to learn. Okay, you should have already filled this out probably, since we haven't had luck with NCA Cloud. But if you haven't, you're only going to fill in this first half because you haven't learned this yet. Okay? So all of these topics are going to be covered. Add, subtract, multiply, divide, and then we are going to move into some algebra and order of operations. Okay? Next thing you're going to do, foldable. Okay, your foldable is located in the back of this book on page F7. And you can find that in the bottom corner. Okay, hang on, you can see it. The bottom corner of the text. Okay? Oops, sorry. All right, so this tells you everything you need to know. Take to page 171. Fold on the solid lines, and cut on the dashed lines. Now, if you mess this up, I do not have extra copies, okay? So pay close attention. You're going to cut this whole box out, and then you're going to create 4 little flaps, okay? You need to keep this attached to all 4 of these, okay? And then you're going to put it on page 171. Okay, and it shows you exactly where to put it. You just tape it or glue it right on top of this one. Okay? All right, so pause this, do your foldable. All right, now we are going to be on page 126. We have completed our table. We have completed our foldable for Module 3. All right, we are going to be on page 126. This is your vocabulary, okay? We're going to visit that in the next video, okay? So don't worry about this. After you've done your vocabulary, this is a quick check, okay? This is to see how you're doing if you're ready for what we're about to start, okay? So you'll complete 1 and 2 here, okay? So pause the video and go do 1 and 2. All right, you should be back now, and you should have completed your quick check, okay? You should have graphed a dot right here on 2 to plot number 2 on a number line, okay? And the answer to this one, Justin downloaded 8 apps to his smartphone on Friday, 5 on Saturday, and 2 on Sunday. How many apps did he download in 3 days? We would add them all together, and you should have gotten 15, okay? It says, how did you do? If you got number 1 right, shade number 1. If you got number 2 right, shade number 2. Okay? All right, folks. This is going to be part of some of those notebook checks I'm going to have when we're back in school. And if I feel like you're not doing what you need to do, I will ask you to meet with me individually, and we will have a virtual notebook check, okay? Do what you need to do. If you have any questions, email me. Or if it's during my office hours, you need to be on the Google Meet. Have a great day.